Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that membership operators, right? So in the last session we have discussed that membership operators and clear function. Okay, what is the membership operators means we can check specified elements is member of the list or not by using membership operators. Okay, they are of two types. One is in operator and the second one is a not in operator. Okay, membership operator return type is a boolean value and the second one is a clear function. Clear function means it's going to remove all the elements from the list, but after removing all elements from the list also, but list is available but elements won't be available. So this is the practical proof. Okay, this is practical proof. I'm printing list after clearing the function. I'm printing the list. First time elements is available, second time elements won't be available. Okay, this is the practical proof, right? So in the today we are going to discuss about the nested list. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the nested lists, nested lists. Today we are going to discuss about the nested lists concept. Normally, nested list concept means we observe that in the flow control concept, looping statement, nested loop. Okay, nested loop means the loop which we are taking inside another loop is nothing but a nested loop or inner loop. In the same way, for the list also, if you are taking list inside another list, okay, if you are taking list inside another list is nothing but nested list. Okay, that means if we are taking lists inside another list, if you are taking lists inside another list is nothing but nested list. Okay, we are taking list inside another list is nothing but nested list. Okay, but inside list what type of elements we can take I will explain in the future when I am going to explain with respect to difference between list with respect to all the data structures. So there I will explain in detail inside list what type of elements are we can take. So now as part of with respect to nested list I am going to take list inside another list. Okay, if we are taking list inside another list is nothing but a nested list. Okay, if you are taking list inside another list is nothing but nested list. Okay, how we can take list inside another list? Observe here carefully. First here I'm taking anyway one list. Okay, here I'm taking a list anyway. Here what I'm taking means here what I'm taking A comma B. Now we can say this is a list, nested list. Okay, this is list but here nested list. Okay, list inside another list. Okay, list inside another list is nothing but nested list. See, first anyway I'm printing the list. So normally this is the zero index, this is first index, this is second index, and this is the third index. Okay, observe here first what I am doing, ls of ls of 1. Okay, ls of 1 means we are going to get 20. Okay, ls of 1 means we are going to get 20. Next what I am doing, print of ls of, see, ls of 1 means we are getting this one. Now I am asking ls of 3. Okay, I am asking ls of 3. So now here ls of 3 means what we will get, this is the list we are going to get. Okay, this list we will get. Now observe here one more thing, when I am asking ls of 1 I am asking the type also. Okay, I am asking the type also. Type is type is type of ls1. So normally what is the type for this? Type for this int. Okay, what is the type? Int. So in the same way, what I am doing, I am asking the type for list 3. Okay, I am asking the type for list 3. Okay, here we will get int, but if here I am asking ls of 3 means here we will get a list. Okay, but observe the up to here. If you observe here int. Okay, this is of int type. Next I am taking ls of 2. Okay, 3, sorry, ls of 3. So this is of list type. Okay, this is of a list type. But now I want to print the information on this. Okay, now I want to print the inside list. Okay, I want to print the list inside another list. Okay, nested list element. Nested list element is ls of ls of 3 of ls of 3 of 0. So ls of 3 means up to here. ls of 3 means up to here. In that what I am asking 0. 0 means this is the element. Okay, this is the element. Now we have to get this element. In the same way, nested list first one element. Here second element. Now observe here. Here I am getting A and here I am getting B. Okay, this is the way we can use a nested list concept. Okay, this is the way we can use a nested list concept. This is the way we can use a nested list concept. Clear, right? So this is nothing but nested list concept. If you are taking list inside another list is nothing but nested list. Okay. So the next thing is a nested list as matrix. Okay. Nested list as a matrix. Nested list as a matrix. Okay, how we can represent a matrix by using nested list. Okay, how we can represent a matrix by using a nested list concept. Normally in Python we can represent matrix by using nested list concept also. Okay, we can represent. Okay, we can represent a matrix. Okay, we can represent a matrix by using nested list also. By using nested lists also. We can represent a matrix by using nested lists also. So how we can represent? So anyway, I'm taking a list, but observe here I'm taking different list. Inside a list I'm taking another list. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70, 80, 90. 70, 80, 90 I'm taking. First, normally what I'm doing means normally I'm printing the list. Okay, normally I'm printing the list. So now I want to print the elements wise row wise. So first I will print the elements by row wise. That means print elements at row wise. Element at row wise. See, observe here elements at row wise means for R. Okay, for row in ls. For row in ls means first what I am doing, I am printing the row. Okay, that means in the nested list only three elements are available. Okay, 3 elements are available. Okay, don't forget about the inside the elements 3. Okay, this outside the list only 3 elements are having. Okay, each element having 3 elements inside again. So I'm taking first list, I'm printing this one. Next in the second line, printing this one. So in the same way, I'm printing this one. So first I'm taking that elements at row wise. Okay, elements at row wise. So first case observe the output. Okay, this is the list. I'm printing the elements at a row wise by using in this way. Okay, in this way I'm printing the elements. This is nothing but elements at a row wise. So next I'm going to print the elements by using matrix style. Okay, normally you know the matrix in the 10th class academic days we have learned, right? Now observe here, print elements by matrix wise, elements by matrix style, elements by matrix style, elements by matrix style. Okay, elements by matrix style. Here first what I'm doing means okay, let me different this one. Print of star into 20. Let me print of star into 20. Print of star into 20. So first observe carefully what I am doing for I in range. Okay, for I in range of first what I am asking, what is the length of the elements. Okay, what is the length of the elements means it's going to say length of length of ls. Okay, that means what is the length of ls? 3. Okay, see, one more time I'm saying, don't think about inside the elements. Okay, outside the element, from this bracket to this bracket, 3 elements are available. How you are saying 3 elements means from here to here one element. Okay, next comma. Okay, from here to here second element, next comma, from here to here third element. So 3 elements are available in the list. Inside the list again elements are available 3. Okay, so here what I am taking for I in range of length of ls means it's going to give the length 3. Okay, that means 3 elements are going to represent in the matrix style. So first that is the one. Next what I am doing means for j in range of, okay, for j in range of length of n of, okay, for j in range of length of n of I, n of I, j in range of length of n of I. Okay, here what I am doing means n of I. Okay, n of I means 0. Okay, 0 means this is. Okay, in this how many elements are available? Okay, in this how many elements are available means 3 elements. Okay, that 3 elements I am representing at a time in this style. Print of, okay, print of n of I, n of I, n of I means 0, 0 of j. J means every time the loop will repeat. Okay, every time loop will repeat. That's why we will get a 10, 20, 30. And next end attribute we have to take. Okay, end attribute we have to take. Okay, we have to take end attribute. Next, this is inner loop is going to represent this element is a matrix style. So once the inner loop is completed, so it will go to the next this loop, and to take the next element we have to go for the next line. So for that what we have to do here, write one print statement. Okay, here we have to, with respect to this for loop, we have to write a print statement. Okay, so first observe, if I am not writing print statement, what is the behavior? Okay, first anyway observe here the output here. I'm not taking end attribute, I'm not taking print statement. Okay, so let me take this one up to here. See, now I'm running run module. If you observe here, what is when we are taking, oh sorry, ls, here also ls. If you observe here, this is the list, but if you observe here, I have not considered the print statement end attribute. Okay, because of I'm not considering the end attribute. Okay, if I'm not considering the end attribute, all are coming in the different line. Okay, all are coming in the different line. So observe here, if I'm after I'm taking here end is equal to, the behavior will change. Okay, the behavior will change now with respect to previous one and the current one. Okay, if you observe here 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90, observe carefully one more time. Okay, we are getting in this way. Okay, we are getting in this way. If I'm taking end attribute, okay, if I'm taking end attribute, all elements are coming in the same line. Okay, all elements are coming in the same line. I have explained what is end attribute in the strings concept. Okay, make sure observe end attribute in the previous session one more time, please. Okay, so 10 means if I'm taking 10 means everyone is coming in the same line. Now what I'm doing here is I want to print only these three elements in one row and these three elements in one row and these three elements in the one row. So for that here I'm taking print. For that here I'm taking print. So if you observe here, this is the first list. Finally, I'm representing the elements in the matrix style. Okay, in this way only we will write the matrix, right? So this is the requirement of a nested list as a matrix. Okay, this is the requirement of a nested list as a matrix. Clear, right? So this is nothing but nested list concept. Okay, this is nothing but nested list concept. Let me keep this one to here and the total output I will keep in the same. Okay, this is nothing but nested list concept. Okay, this is nothing but nested list concept. In the next session, I'm going to explain about a list comprehension. Okay, in the next session, I'm going to explain about a list comprehension. So that if that is completed, next we are going to discuss about a tuple data structure. Okay, once it is completed nested list concept, we have to discuss about a list comprehension. List comprehension is completed means we have to discuss about a tuple data structure. Okay, once the tuple is completed, set next dictionary. Okay, next dictionary. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you friends. Thanks.